city. Rising from the ashes, Chicago quickly rebuilds to become an architectural icon. The World's Fair of 1893 opens, boasting beautiful white buildings. Dazzling new inventions debut, such as electricity, elevators, and the Ferris wheel. As the birthplace of the skyscraper, Chicago flourishes in the new century with glamorous Art Deco buildings and modern architectural styles. Soaring 110 stories high, a new American icon is born. It remains the world's tallest building for almost 25 years. Today, experience spectacular views from all directions on the 103rd floor and feel the thrill of the ledge. Welcome to Skydeck.
Coming out? Yeah, I guess.
Head left and around.
Thank
left
you.
and around for the ledges. Enjoy.
Thank you. Wow.
This is